Maya, Manafi.
If you wear glasses or contacts, you must see this. An award-winning doctor reveals an astonishing, natural way to reclaim the 20/20 vision you were born with in record time.
Yambote, ngizambote. Kututala uno tutondele. Ngandinga tieto, Kikongo. Thank you very much. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tata Alain. Yenengo tadiwa. Tondele. Yambote Tata Alain.
Kiambote Tata Mbanja.
Lunama vimpi, eh?
Lunama vimpi. Tutondele yeyeno, eh?
Yedepe tunama vimpi, tutondele. Nengo tadiwa, Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Lunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi, tutondele, yeyenu, eh?
Yedepe tunama vimpi, tutondele. I need to share something. It is an exercise. Let's see. Remember possessives. Where did I put it? Is it this one? Oh, this one. Where is my file? Yeah, it is there. Yes. Tata Allen. Remember, the prefix depends on the nominal class of the object owned. Yuma means item, things. Just remember the definition in the description. Yes?
Okay.
Prefix. We are looking for prefix here. But this prefix comes from the nominal class of the object. This is the object. Okay. First plural are items, please.
First plural. Yuma. Yeno.
Nengo tadiwa. Almost there. Nengo tadiwa.
Is it Yuma Yeto?
Well done, Yuma Eto.
Yuma Yeto.
That's all. I know you know that. Ame aku andi eto eno au. Au, some people
okay.
Some people say bow.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, you got it. Okay. Now second plural. No, sorry. Second singular. Totally same word. Yuma.
Yuma Yaku.
Well done. Yeah, Yuma Yaku. Yeah, yes, well done. Yuma is already plural. Yuma is plural for Kima. Nengo tadiwa disa. Our disa. Our Concord. Concord. Disa.
Yes.
Sorry?
Disa. Is it Disa or Diasa?
I'm sorry, you're right. Sorry. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Is it Disa Deto?
Well done, Disa Deto. Some word nengo tadiwa hers or his. Yes, Disa.
Dami.
Third plural. Sorry, singular. Totally.
Disa Diandi.
Well done, Disa Diandi. Well done, yeah.
Diandi, yeah.
Yeah.
So I got it mixed up.
Mambo. No, don't worry. I know it's not easy, but you getting there.
Okay.
Mambo man, mama. I'm going to answer my question. Mambo. Nengo tadiwa. Problems, issues. Mambo.
Mambo meto.
Well done. His has problems. Nengo tadiwa mambo.
Mambo mandi.
Well done, mambo man. This is good grammar. That talent. Your problem. Your problem. I mean, your singular. Mambo.
Mambu.
Yeah, remember your suffix. Ame,
Oh,
aku, ane.
Mambu Maku.
Well done, yeah. Thank you very much. Well done. Let us go to the main lesson. Where are we? Okay. Thank you very much. You've done it. That's good. I'm proud of you. Good students. You are very
Can I ask you a
brave.
question before we move on?
Yeah, go ahead.
So
You want me
last week,
to display again? To display it, the file? You want me to display it again? Or,
no. The question I had was last week we were looking at Pangiame and Pangizame.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me just try to share it again. It's, okay, we're done with that. Pangi. What does Pangi mean? What did you want?
Pangi.
Pangi, what does it mean? Pangi, your sibling, brother,
God,
sister,
I don't.
brother, sister. Totally, yes. Pangi, yes.
Yeah. So
Brother.
if I say like my I'm trying to get the difference between this and the other two the what we just the lesson prior to this. So it'll be my brother will be or my sister will be Pangiame, or my
Yes.
brothers will be Pangizame.
Pangiam, yeah, Pangiam, yes.
So what? So these words here are different. Instead of using like Pangi Pame, it wouldn't be Pangi Pame, right? It would be Pangyame. So I'm trying to get the difference between.
I got you. This is, I don't know how should I explain it, but this is a human being, not object.
Oh, okay. But how about
You the plural. I
yeah,
think
but
it's
how
singular.
about like Nguba? As long as okay, so Nguba would be
Yeah,
considered a thing, right? So that wouldn't okay. So you said how
yeah. Now you got me. You are right. You are right. I got you. Goodbye, me. This you know. Okay. Forget about what I said. Okay. You know what you're trying to say. Yeah, nguba me. You don't say nguba. You don't apply the
right
G. Yeah.
Nguba? You're not gonna say Nguba Ngame. You're gonna say
No, no.
Nguba
Yeah, you are
Ngubame.
right. Yeah, that's why the last time. I think it was the last time I said the pattern is not clear. It's not 100% clear. See, I think we
Okay.
need the linguistics to define all the other aspects. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Okay. So you just have to know the words
Yes.
that coincide with how you would
Yes,
okay.
but still, keep in mind that that rule applies. I mean,
In most cases.
98% that the
Okay.
rule. Yeah,
Got it. Okay.
yeah. 90. I would say 98. Man, okay. I'm not a linguist. Let's wait for someone to try to investigate and write on that. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Nango Teddy, go ahead. You were. I missed you. You were saying. Nango Teddy, are you
I
there?
just said, does Mpangi mean brother?
Brother or sister? Yeah.
Or it's either brother or sister. Or both brothers.
Yeah, Pangi, yeah, can be, but to be if you say Pangyang Kento, you mean Tatale?
My sister.
Yes. Pangya Yakala. I mean, the pronunciation changed. I mean, Yakala, your brother. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
When I say there's another word, very Tanga. Remember this word?
Well, what's the word?
Tanga.
Which
No,
word?
Tanga.
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 Is that to read?
Tanga.
Tanga. No, it's sibling, yeah, but let me just try to define it. Get this very important. Get this very important. Kikongo is good language, no? Tata and Tanga means sister or brother, but applied only for opposite sex. Is it clear? You, as a boy, you say Tanga. Tanga is your sister, not your brother.
Okay.
Sister, to a sister, Tanga is her brother, not her sister.
So you can use Tanga or you can use Pangi.
Now, Pangi generic can be sister brother, but Tanga, I'm a boy. When I say Tanga, I mean it's just your brother, your blood relative. When I say my Tanga, I mean my sister, not my brother. When your sister says Tanga, they mean their brother, not the sister. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
understand.
Thank you. Is it clear, Tatalen?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you got the dictionary? I think I did send it to the dictionary English, Kikongo English.
Yeah,
The 1887 dictionary. Very good dictionary.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yeah, you sent it to us. Yes.
Yeah, they're good. Very good dictionary.
Yes.
The first one, dictionary Kikongo. I know some people would say no, it's not the first. It's the first. I know why I'm saying that. We are live. I don't want to say. I don't want to be to debate on live TV. To have a debate. Okay, let us go to. Shall we move to a new lesson? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Tutondele. Okay, I think today we can do. Remember, we used to read the title. If you can help her to read again.
Congo language course Malongi Makikongo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Juan Makondekwa.
Makondekwa.
Keep going.
Please.
Yeah, Join Hazel Carter, February 22nd, 1928 to August 3rd, 2016, received a doctorate with her dissertation, Synthetic Toned Phrases in Kikongo Languages, African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutondele. Keep reading that, please.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
These are not my words. This is from Professor Hazel Carter. Very important.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Yeah, so you are on safe ground, yeah? Yeah, this is the last title, please.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
This is critical, Kikongo, this is Kikongo. Remember when I say, Yamonao, I mean, you write the same way, but the meaning comes from your tonality, I mean, your tone.
Your tongue.
When I say, well, Yamonao, let me see it. Oh, how to translate Bantu language to Europe, Western languages? When I say Yamonao, let me see it. Or you could say, so that I can see it. Can I see it? Listen carefully. If I say Yamonao, hmm? Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
It's very subtle, Yamonao. The pitch. Listen to the pitch. Yamonao. Yamonao. Hmm? Hmm. This is Kikongo.
It's so subtle.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Very, very.
It's so subtle, so it's
You
hard
need to
to
live with
understand.
the natives. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. This is subjunctive. Lesson 5, section 3. Subjunctives continued. Yes. Fuete. Fuete. Remember fuete? I did promise last time. Okay, let's try to do it again. Let's try to do fuete. Fuete. Remember fuete? Tata, like you see, yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Remember
yeah,
this. Remember this.
yeah.
We need to underline today. Let me try to see. This is the Dutch. This is where your pronoun goes. Hmm? If I say lufwete, I mean second plural. Tufwete mean first, totally. Tu, first plural. Remember.
Yeah.
Mm.
So now this is okay, subjunctive, right?
Mm. Let us move to the first slide. Ufwete, hello, tufwete, omuntu fwete. Okay. Remember fwete. This O is third person. Okay? Can you see it? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
With me?
Yeah.
Omuntu ofwete vunda. The person ought to rest. If I say tufwete vunda, Tatani, what do I mean? Tufwete vunda.
We.
Well done. Yes.
Yeah.
O is your, let's call it your personal pronoun. Yes? Yeah. Okay. Let us move to the reading. Tatali, please.
Okay. Umuntu ofwete vunda.
Mm-hmm.
The person ought to rest. Elo diambo tevo kavunda.
Well done. Good reading. Hello, Diambo Tevoka Vunda. Well done. Ngwatadiwa.
Onkentu
Kento.
ofwete lamba.
Mm,
Onkento ofwete lamba. The
mm,
woman ought to cook. Elo diambo devoka lamba.
mm,
Yes, it's good for her. It's
mm.
good for her to cook.
Diambo Tevoka Lamba. Okay. Tutonde. Tatale.
Umwana ofwete leka.
Mm,
The child ought to sleep. Elo diambo tevo kaleka.
mm.
Yes, it's good for him or her to sleep.
Well done. Remember, long vowel. Very, very, very important. Long vowel. This is something this is what we have in common. Among other things, we have in common in terms of other, I mean, any language we have, how do you call it? What's the word? Each district will have their own variants, We have variants, different variants.
Mm-hmm.
But this we have in common. mm, The long vowels.
Okay.
Ngotadiwa.
Onkundiame Ofwete Kota. My friend ought to come in. Hello, Diambo Tevoka Kota.
Jambo
Yes, it's
Tevoka.
good for him.
Well done, well done, well done. Jambo Tevoka Kota. Let me see the translation. Jambo Tevo, it's good. Him. Kota is a verb. To come in, yes. But here, ka, I mean, let me just try to throw it, but don't memorize it. This ka is your pronoun, your personal pronoun. That's all. Are you with me? Ka kota. If I say, hello, jambo devo to kota. That's all.
Well, we.
Yes. Well done.
Oh, boy.
No, don't memorize. I mean, stick with what you know. Don't try to memorize that. No. We have Ame Aku, that's for sure. Wherever you go, anywhere, I mean, in Kikongo, this will always be there. It is the standard. Ame Aku, yes. Total, please.
Umbundiame Fuerte Dia. My younger brother, sister ought to eat. Elo Diambo Tevo Kadia. Yes, it is good for her to eat.
Sorry, this O is missing here.
Oh, that's what I was wondering. Okay.
O is missing. Yeah, remember O is there. Should be there. Then go to the
Onongi Ofwete
Vivila.
Vivila. The teacher ought to listen. Hello, Diambo Tevoka Vivila.
Jambo Devoka Vivila.
Yes,
yeah.
It's good for him.
Here, you know the accent. The Vivila on A.
Yes, what is that?
Because it's in imperative, you know.
Okay.
That's all. This is very important. La.
Okay.
The accent. It's Vivila. Yes, that's all. Over to you, please.
Ose Diaku Ofuete Quiza. Your father ought to come. Elo Diambo Tevo Keza. Is that Keza or Kiza?
Keza. Long vowel. Keza.
Yes, it is good for him to come.
Thank you, Tatale. Question, Tatale. My father.
Okay. My father would be. Would that be Ase? No. Or would I just say Amen?
You read Ose. You change from D. From the other. I mean the other way. Ose.
Ose. I'm gonna say.
You got it. Just say it. Remember there are the possessive. Remember the.
Would it be Aku?
Now you have first singular. Ose, my father. Ose dia.
Diame.
Oh, dia.
Yes, diame. You're a boy. Ladies are faster than men.
Diame.
I know you know it.
Yeah. None I got it.
You're going fast.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's make it easy. Okay, our father then. Our father.
Diatu.
Our father.
Ose.
Die.
Ose
Yes, well done. Thank you. Nengwa tadiwa.
Engu diame ofwete kwenda. My mother ought to go. Elo diambo devo. Sorry. Elo diambo devo kenda.
Diambo devo kenda. Tatale.
Ngudiame ofwete kwenda. My mother ought to go. Elo diambo devo kenda. Yes, it is good for her to go.
Hey, mom. Can you change the Ngudi?
Ngudi. No.
Yes, yeah, Ngudi, yeah. Ngudia.
Ngudiandi.
Well done, yeah, Ngudiandi, yeah. And our mom?
Ngudieto.
Well done, yeah. Yeah, well done. Then over to you again, please.
Tata Allen.
I'm sorry. Because it was the Tat Nengo Tadiwa. Tata Lego, please, sorry.
In Fumuav Avata. Ofwete Vova. The village chief ought to speak. Elo diambo tevo kavova. Yes, it is good for him to speak.
Okay, we finished with slides. Let me just go back, see if we can learn from, can touch on other aspects of it. Just try to change this one. Ignore the Olongi here. Ours, Fuete Vivila. We.
Tu fuete?
Yes, well done. Tu fuete Vivila. Okay, I think with any question we're done for today. I know it's hard, but anyway, you are brave people. Thank you very much. Any questions, Tatane?
No, I don't have any questions. I'm gonna review the lesson just to make sure I got it good.
Okay, good. Lengua Tadiwa?
No,
fine. Okay, well done. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Lenda Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Ah, good Kikongo. Tutondele. See you. Bye. Bye.
Kiambote kangwa Congo diantotela. Mono mwanenu, mono lekenu, mono nkundenu, mono ntekolwenu. Ngizi di kudi sunzula, Maria Masamba. Munakulu za isavo. Sabala di takuiza. Setu giantika e moko kieto. Moko kieto, muna Kikongo tukala kyo mokenen. E moko kieto, kibokelelo muna nkungu vanantia sanda. Muna Kikongo tukala mokenen. Muna ndingeto ya Kikongo. Tukala moke na mama tadidi luzingu. Luzingu lwa muntu welu inena efu ya wantu. Nkia mavanga tufete soba. Nkia mpila tufete ekadila. Nkia mambu manenkaka zeto bavanganga ketule tuasisa mukanti mambo temena. Idina vo kwa yeno wonso nkangwa Kongo diantote la ngizikulu boke la ngizikulu vovesta ngizikulu samu nine samu ambote ovo kya saba la kitakuiza tuyantikide moko ketu vananchansanda idi navo kwa yeno wonso kangwa Kongo diantote la Kongo dia Kongola Kongo dia RDC Kongo dia Brazzaville Kongo dia Gabon nkango wa onto wa Kongo dia ntotela ngizikulu vovesavo ya saba la kitakuiza keluvila kaniko luiza ndonga mpasi votu anata endinge twa Kikongo kuntwala twanata ensinta wa yetu Kongo okuntwala ndinavo luiza yena onto ndonga ya saba la kitakuiza tuyantikidi emoko ketu keluvila kaniko ya matondo tondele kwa yena onto luto masala yoyo
Serge Ngodo, la Sandiego.
Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Congo,